Well guys, I hope you guys have been doing good. I hope you guys have been doing safe. Literally probably hundreds of people have reached out since my last video asking, yo, when am I coming back? When am I posting a video? What I've been doing, blah, blah, blah. So basically, long story short, I never stopped thrifting. My thrift stores actually never closed down during like when all the lockdown was going down. My thrift stores never closed, so I was going thrifting twice a week while grocery stores weren't even like open. Well, actually grocery stores stayed open all the time, but like you're supposed to be staying inside. I didn't stay inside. The reason why I didn't make videos, the reason why I stopped making videos is one, I didn't really want to show people, like obviously you guys would have been like, oh, why aren't you being safe? Like I could do what I want. I did what I want. I went thrifting when I wasn't supposed to. Luckily, knock on wood, I've been safe. I haven't got sick. I've been doing my thing. But I did go thrifting during like the pandemic was happening basically. I found crazy stuff. If you've been following me on my Instagram at DITR954, I have been posting pictures of the finds that I've been finding like during quarantine, and like they've been crazy. I've been finding Kanye shirts, I've been finding designer stuff, just a lot of really nice things during quarantine. So that was also why I didn't want to upload during quarantine, because literally there was times where it was just me in the thrift store. Like I would go early in the morning, it'd be just me, and I would get all the new racks. All the new racks would be me, and I would get some crazy stuff. So not to be like that guy, but I didn't want to show Miami locals that that thrift store never closed, you know? Because a lot of people didn't realize it. A lot of people thought that every single thrift store was closed, but that one stayed open, and I took advantage of it, and I got crazy stuff. So the first reason, I didn't want to hear like you guys complaining about I wasn't being safe. The second reason, I didn't really want to show you guys that the thrift stores were open. And the third reason, I don't know, I just didn't feel like making a video. I didn't want to show you guys me going out and thrifting, and then you guys go out and thrift, and God forbid one of you guys gets sick, and then it's like my fault because you guys saw me going out. So it was just a bunch of things. I could have came back probably a month ago just because lockdown has been over for about a month or two. But I don't know, I haven't felt in the mood. And when I wanted to come back like I am right now, I want to come back strong, and I want to post every single day, or at least try to every other day. Like I want to get back in the grind. I didn't want to just post a video and then take another month off. So now that I'm actually posting this video, it's for sure. I'm coming back, I'm making videos again, I'm going trips to the thrifts, I'm doing sneaker unboxings, which is why you clicked on this video. I actually have a package I hit on sneakers. Basically, I was just gonna do a video of like me coming back, talking to you like what I've been doing these past couple months and all that stuff, but I figured, you know what, let's just do an unboxing and kind of mix it in so that way you don't just stare at me, you can actually stare at unboxing. So I hit these on the sneaker app. I never hit, this is actually the first hit of 2020 that I've got. I take L's like crazy. Like most of everybody. I don't know how I got this lucky, but I feel like they did make a lot of these because I saw a lot of people get the W for this. So I am excited to see what they look like, but honestly, prices dropped a lot on these. Before they released, they were 1,000 plus. Now they're selling for like 600. So I don't know if I'm going to sell them. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to them. I think in a year or so, they'll probably be a better investment, but we shall see. Yo, this is getting pretty difficult. So, I don't think I've uploaded in like 5 months, which is crazy to think of. Like, that's basically an entire half a year not uploading a video. And like, to think I used to upload every single day, or there was a time that I was uploading every single day, doing a trip to the thrift every single day. And what I would do is, I would thrift in the morning, come back, edit, and post that day. So I would literally post the same day that I thrift, which that was mind-blowing. I need to get back on that grind. But I've been chilling. I went on a friend's boat a few times. I have footage of that, which you guys let me know in the comments down below. I have a lot of footage during quarantine. Like, I went on a boat. I went to Vegas. I went to Vegas for a week, and I actually went thrifting in Vegas. I'll probably post that video tomorrow. I only went to 1 or 2 stores. I didn't find much in Vegas, but I'll tie that in. I did go thrifting this past week, so I can tie that into that video. The finds during quarantine, I didn't actually record me finding them, but I have pictures of like everything that I found, so I could make a video like what I found during quarantine. If you guys are interested in that, just let me know. I have a lot of footage. but you know, we're getting back into it. So to get into this package, as you guys see, it is the different box, which you guys can already tell probably from the title. You know what shoes these are. I did get a size 12 because that is my size, but you guys know me, I don't wear Jordans. I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of Nike Air Forces that I'm going to show you guys after this, that I got during quarantine, that I just want to show you guys. So to get into this, we're going to show you guys. It has the Nike or the Jordan Fragment logo. This is the Jordan 3 Fragments. There's tons of videos on this. There's tons of early videos that are already, like, people reviewed them before they even released, so I don't want to do a really in-depth video. The point of this video is kind of just giving you guys like what I've been doing for the past during quarantine, as well as unboxing a sneaker, so that way I'm not just sitting here talking, you guys actually get to look at something. So again, the Fragment upside down, the Fragment and Jordan logo, you can't see but it's in black. This is nice leather. To be honest, I'm not a Jordan head. You guys know me, or if you guys know me, you know I don't like Jordans. I don't wear Jordans. I don't own a pair of Jordans. It's just not my style. Not to say that I've never worn Jordans in my past, because I used to have almost every Jordan you can think of. But I don't know, it's not my style anymore. I just do not wear them. You can see the Air logo with the Fragment on the back. Again, pretty nice leather. I haven't bought Jordans in years, so I don't really know. Like, I can't really compare. I can't bring another Jordan and compare to it. But I don't know. What do you guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this shoe. I think it's nothing special. It's just a white and black shoe, obviously with the Fragment stamp right there. But I also think in about 2 years from now, these will be very expensive, just because it is basically an all-white sneaker. So once people beat these up, the dead stock pairs are going to go up. And the fact that it's a Fragment, you guys can see with the Fragment ones, they have gone up over the years. So we're going to put that away, just because, like I said, I don't want to do an in-depth review on that. There's tons of videos of that. I wanted to make a video of what I've been doing past this 6 months. So like I said, I went to Vegas. It was my friend's birthday. I'll actually roll a clip that I have in Vegas of me complaining because it was so hot, yo. Like, honestly, if you guys are from Vegas, if you've been to Vegas, during the summer is probably the worst time to go. But tickets were so cheap. I think my ticket was $51. So let's go to Vegas real quick. Came on vacation. Sucks. All we're doing is walking, not seeing shit. Everything's closed.
How's everything with, like, COVID?
Annoying.
You hate it?
Yeah.
Would you recommend people to come here?
No.
You're really having that much, like...
This isn't fun at all, dude. Like, I don't think I don't know how you're saying you're having fun.
I'm not having fun, I'm just bearing with it.
You were telling me we're gonna have pina coladas by the pool, we're gonna go to the casino.
You have a pina colada right there.
This isn't by a pool. I'm fucking
You have
dressed.
water right there. You see? You have your pina colada, your truly pina colada. Are you taking photos though?
No, it's a video.
Doing a video? Well, do the introduction.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I came to Vegas, blah blah blah, do all that. Kind of cute though.
Shrimp pasta, filet mignon with fries, baked chicken, and we got this big guy with the Caesar salad. I want to just leave it here. I can't even see it. No, but honestly, I was like being really sarcastic in those clips. But I do want to go back to Vegas. I think we are going to go back to Vegas maybe in like December when it's actually cold. You can actually walk on the strip. It'll be bearable. So once I do go back to Vegas, I will be bringing you guys with me, do proper vlogs. I went to a vintage store. I sold them some t-shirts. I will bring you guys to that. I don't know. I just, when I make videos, the reason why I started YouTube is because I genuinely liked making videos, and when I don't want to make a video, I don't want to make a video. So I don't want to force myself to make a video, or force myself to make content, or force myself to upload a video that I'm not proud of, or that I'm not happy with, or that, you know, just, that's the reason why. I'm not doing this for money. I'm not doing this for anything. Money obviously comes with it, but I'm, you know, I want to upload when I'm ready to upload. And that's why I'm uploading now, because I am ready to upload. You guys see my hair is getting long. Basically, I'm just growing it out. I'm going to donate it again probably once it gets to a certain length, like I did last time, if you guys saw that. My hair was super long and I donated to people with cancer. So, quarantine. Air Force Ones. You guys know I love Air Force Ones, or if you don't know, I love Air Force Ones. Low top specifically, I wear the white pairs almost every single day. It's my go-to pair. If I'm not wearing Crocs, which I am right now, I actually switched. You guys know I used to wear Birkenstocks. Now I'm on the Croc wave. Not because Crocs are hyped. I don't know, I like switching them up. I like the closed toe better than the open toe a little bit better. So now I'm rocking Crocs instead of Birkenstocks. Just a little update on that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs right here. I guess we'll start off with these. These I recently got. I have not worn them yet. I got these at Foot Locker for $34.99, and I slept because they had 2 pairs or 2 sizes, and I was so hyped on my size, I only got my size, not thinking I could get that other pair, sell it for $60 or $70, and then I'd get this pair for free. I just, my reseller mentalities didn't come in, but I do really like these. Super clean. I don't know, I just, for $34, I felt like this was a steal. Now, these I think retail for $130, so it was really $100 off, so I was like, you know what, I will take them my size. If you guys have any low top Air Forces size 12 that you want to get rid of, DM me. DITR954 or EMC Vlogs on Instagram. I will be interested just to grow my collection because, I don't know, I'm in the hype wave. So like I said, I have not worn these yet. I will break these out soon. The next pair, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me get these. I got these at the thrift store for $5. I thrifted these straight out of the bin. Size 12, the black and yellow Air Forces. Just so fire. It reminds me of the Dunks. If you guys see, Dunks are going crazy right now. They actually just released the maize and yellow Dunk, which is basically like this, but high top. This is black and yellow, not navy and yellow like the Michigan ones. You guys know yellow is my favorite color, so I had to keep these. As soon as I saw them, I was so hyped. As soon as I saw they were size 12, I was like, hell yes. And they look awesome on feet, so I am so hyped with these. And for $5, I couldn't go wrong. Next pair I just recently got, red and black. Again, kind of like Dunk Waves, but very, very cheap. I got these for $30 shipped to me. And the one thing I like about these is if you see, it has stars on it instead of just normal holes. And also on the side panel it has stars versus on the regular Air Force you see this one just has holes. So I thought these were kind of cool. It was like a unique design, limited edition or whatever. And red and black. I don't really wear red and black that often. I don't wear black sneakers that often. I usually stick to white or light colors. But I figured, you know what, for $30 I really can't go wrong. Let's just add these to the collection. So red and black Air Force Ones. And then these next two I got as a package deal. As soon as they posted them online, I was like, yes, yes, yes. These I remember back in 6th grade, which was 2006 for me. I remember kids wearing these and I was so confused. I was like, why do they want to show their socks? Like, why do people want to do that? So the first pair we have, you guys know me, yellow's my favorite color. We have the clear Air Force Ones. Now I paid $100 shipped or $110 shipped for both of these, so I basically paid $50 each. Very, very good condition though. No peeling or cracking on the patent leather on either of them. So it's really nice. These are a size 11.5, and I will say they're a little small. All my other Air Forces are a size 12. I wish I would have got these in a size 12, but for the price and for the rarity of these, I couldn't let them go. I figured, you know what, screw it, I need these. And I've already worn them and I've gotten compliments. My friend really likes them. She thinks they're sick, so I think they're sick. And along with the yellow, I got the green. Now this seller had both of them. Like I said, I paid 100 or 110 shipped. And then these are really clean also. Basically, probably only worn a few times. No cracking on the patent leather. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys like better, the yellow or the green. Obviously, you know I'm going to pick the yellow just because yellow is my favorite color. And what I wear with these, I wear with the Huff socks. If you guys remember the Huff, like the plant socks, I wear those. I have the Huff Wu-Tang collab, which is black and yellow. I wear with these. And then with these, I wear black with green leaves. So those were the Air Forces that I got during quarantine. I got a lot of clothes during quarantine. I thrifted a lot of clothes. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I've been selling on Mercari ever since quarantine, just because I haven't been uploading videos, so I didn't want to upload, like, my personal website wasn't getting much traction because I wasn't uploading videos. So I figured, you know what, let's try a third party. I've been trying Mercari. It's going pretty well. Check it out, link down below. If you guys haven't downloaded Mercari, there'll be a second link that basically, I think you guys get $30 or $50 credit for using my link. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna leave two links. My store link and then the actual download link if you don't have the app already. Basically, it's a secured third-party app. I think you can use it on the web browser also. This is not paid by them. I'm not sponsored by them. It's just the app that I've been comfortable using for the past, you know, couple months during the pandemic. I also sell on Instagram at DITR954. So follow me there. Check those out. Other than that, I think that's it. I'm going to wrap this video up. Tomorrow I am going to post a thrifting video basically of the clips I have in Vegas of me thrifting. Like I said, I went to like 2 thrift stores. I didn't find much, but I did go thrifting this past week, and I did find something good. So make sure you guys come back for that. I'm going to post at 8 p.m. just like this video. I'm going to try to get back in the routine, posting videos. So give this video some love. I am back. Follow me on Instagram at EMC Vlogs. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. And that's it, guys. I think that's it. I think I'm gonna stop the let's get. I don't even know if I said the let's get it last time. Doesn't matter. I'll see you guys tomorrow.